welcome to Excel Guru YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Hi friends, this is Rajnikant Excel Guru, and here this is the solution for Mahendra. Okay, this is as per company rules we should not reveal the company name. For that reason I am using only the Mahendra. Okay, it may be anything. Okay, now what I said, extract names which starts with A. Here it is, starts with A only. First of all, you have to count how many are there and what are those names which starts with letter A. Okay, so here I am explaining you how to do this one. Is equal to left of, it's an array function expecting a single text, but I am giving more than one, so it consider as an array. Okay, F4 comma 1. Okay, it's okay, 1. See, A, all are there, but we are interested only in A's. Okay, so what you will do, double negative to convert true as 1, false as 0. Okay, I have not this one, sorry, is equal to this one, F4, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay, I need to copy this one, Control C. It's very important, guys. F9. Okay, F9. See, 110000. Okay, so we got one, so easily you can wrap this into some product. Some product can handle array. Okay, enter. So it's a date format, you have to convert into normal format by Control Shift and Cell date. So totally 4 are there. Okay, is equal to index. What you need the names, right? F4 comma small if anything is true. Okay, anything is a logical test, F9C. If anything is true, so give me. In previous videos I explained you each and everything. Okay, again and again I don't want to explain. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, rows where we are, $8, right? $8 colon C8. Okay, that's it. The formula is over. It always shows starts with A. If I consider B, so it will give us only the B. Okay, F2, if error, if you find any error in this function, so give me the blank. Else run this formula. This is an array function, so I am using Control Shift and A. Okay, A. See, right guys, this one is over. Now coming to this part. Okay, what I said, you have to find the item sales by using item code and sales representative by using VLOOKUP, right? VLOOKUP, the whole thing I need, the whole thing still here. F4, sorry, VLOOKUP, lookup value. First of all, we need lookup value, right? So take this lookup value, it's a relative, and the lookup array will be this one. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. F4. Now we need item sales, so use match function. Match item, this one, it's also relative, and select this one, F4 comma 0. So it will give us the position. Match will give us the position. Okay, and here F9C. It's normal function, it's not an array function. See, ABC item number 150. D, I will drag this formula. See, STU item 7 is not there. STU item 7 is not there. If I enter any value over here like 512, it will give us 512. See. Okay. Now coming to another part. Extract those values which starts with the character. I want the values which starts with the value text only. Okay, it may be numbers or text. So what you will do, left of F4 comma 3 F9. See, ABC, ABC, ABC. So we are interested in ABC, this one. Okay, understood guys what I mean to say, right? Now you have to extract only those values which is having a text. Okay, extract those values which is starts with the character. Okay, left of 3 is equal to, what you will do here? Left of 3 ABC. We are going to try like this. F9 we are interested in, now not in errors, we are interested in errors, because errors are is error, see, 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, so what we'll do here, same small if is error. If you find any error in this function, so show me this one. F2 F4 minus row F4 plus 1 the comma rows open the bracket B $32 colon B32 control shift enter. It is an array function. Okay, it shows the errors also. See, 1 2 5. Okay, somewhere I did not log it. Everything is logged, right? Let's us check index of these three things. F4 comma this whole thing, close parenthesis, control shift and enter to give us only the characters. Starts with the characters, but not with the numbers 1 2 and 3. Okay, I'll do conditional format for this. Okay, is equal to left of. Okay, I'm getting calls guys. I'll stop here only and I'll let you know later. Okay, okay guys, now what I said here, if it is count zeros, if it is left side it should count as -3, if it is right it has to count as plus. Okay, if it is left it has to count as minus, if it is right it has to count positive numbers. Okay, see how I will do. There is a function called log 10 and number will be this one. It's very easy guys. Okay, enter, double click. See, if I enter more than one, right? Okay, if I enter like this 100, okay, understood what I mean to explain you. Okay, now coming to another part, that is 140. Find the first occurrence of positive number. Okay, it's also very easy guys. Match true comma, if anything match, always pick up the first occurrence. Okay, greater than 0, then give me the match. So it will give us the position where it occurs the positive number, first positive number. Okay, so I want which number is positive, first occurrence positive number. Okay, F4 comma, we got the row number comma 0 1. If I enter any negative value over here, so it will pick up this one 81. Okay, and 141. Okay, 141. Find the weekday after 5 months 6 years formula in a given colored cell. See, here it is. So you want to find the weekday of after 5 years and 6 years and 5 months. What will be the weekday? Okay, date, year will be from here plus 6 comma month here plus this one comma day, this one, that's it. So it will give us the date. See how what it will show you. It will give us the date. Okay, after 6 years 5 months, after 6 years and 5 months it will give us the date. Now we have to find the weekday. Okay, so text comma weekday. Always if you want you can use 4 Ds or 5 Ds like this. Wednesday. Okay, if you have any doubt ask me, brothers. And here it is the what I said, you have to find total count. They are given only the book title. They are given only the book title. You have to find the total sales, units sold. Okay, total units sold. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Is equal to, first of all we have to extract the book ID. Book ID as per book title. See what how I will do. Match this one comma F4 comma 0. So it will give us the position. Okay, we got the position. Now extract that one. Index where you what you want book ID, right? Book ID here it is. F4 comma we got book ID 0. Not 0, sorry. Enter. See, we got book ID. So easily you can do it. Sum if function. Sum if sum range F4 comma criteria range 1, this one criteria range 1 F4 criteria will be this one. Okay, this will become criteria. See, F9, so it will become the criteria. Control enter. It's not an array function, it's a normal function. Double click, so total will be here. Okay guys, if you have any doubts please let me know in the comment box, and it's very important. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for your support. Have a nice day.